Lonely day today in the Braille house.
It's lonely out here, but we're just gonna make the videos anyway. Should we open up the box?
It's heavy for a little box.
Remember when we used to do this back at Fremont like 2 years ago?
What's a Fremont? Oh no. Penny board, huh?
Maybe.
It says penny on it. Dang, I'm gonna wear this as a necklace.
Fetty iced out.
It's like a bronze, chrome.
Try one more color.
It's not gold.
What?
That is bronze.
That's gold.
That is bronze. That is bronze. Yeah, look at that.
That's gold. People leave it in the comments below. Is that gold or bronze?
Bronze.
The color is rose gold.
Doesn't look very rose gold. It looks more bronze to me.
Look, it says right here, gold penny board.
No, it doesn't. It says lifetime warranty, made in Australia.
Just skate it.
So what are we gonna do with the bronze penny board?
I don't know, just you and me. What do we do?
A kickflip? That's like the hardest trick on a penny board. Bearings are really good.
You had that first try.
My first job ever, I used to skate penny boards like all day.
Oh, crap.
It's going down. Oh no, hopefully I didn't scratch the paint.
Yeah, that's a good question. Does it scratch or is it like gold to the bone?
Right there.
No.
Silver under the bronze. We're second place under the third place.
Maybe we'll get to the gold. Come on, go for the gold.
Go for the bronze. Oh, too much.
Double. What color are the bearings?
They are like I don't know.
Teal.
Teal? Light teal?
Why would anybody get any other color than this?
Oh,
This
here
is
we go.
sick.
The penny board master over there. Troy. Troy, what color is this? What color is it?
Luke, come over here. What color is it?
Actually, dude, it's actually rose gold.
No, it's bronze.
What did you say it was?
What? What color is it?
Bronze.
Yeah, that's
No,
bronze.
it's rose gold. How did you know it's rose gold?
Dude, come on. Look at me. Who am I?
Yeah, come on,
Are you
green.
wearing green gold everywhere?
That's what it was.
Is this dress white and gold or black and blue? Leave it in the comments below. Oh, you know what? $100 if you land it this try. Nah. Oh. Was this close to counting it? This close.
Kickflip's the hardest trick on this, I think. Well, besides like every other trick, like a heel flip. I don't think I've ever heel flipped a penny board.
According to Aaron, that's the easiest trick.
Nollie flip?
Yeah.
On a penny board? Finally. Tray flip?
Yeah. First try, I'll buy you a banana. Woo! How does it feel to skate the golden penny board?
Feels like I'm in third place. Oh, there we go.
This try right here, I'll give you $100.
Nah.
Oh!
Dang.
I feel like every time I put the $100 bet on, even if I don't actually make the bet, you get closer. Oh!
I was very like light on my feet with that one.
Oh!
It's like a new penny.
That is a penny.
Penny!
They should have just called it a penny board.
Penny colored!
What else can we do with this thing?
I mean, I'm thinking a whole part game. Yeah, I just want to see Luke fall. Hey, Luke, you ready for a whole part game of Penny?
Okay.
Be careful, I don't want to see you
Is
fall.
Troy playing too?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a game of skate. Whole park, anything counts. Rochambeau. Ouch.
Damn, I'm after penny.
I'm gonna bet one gold piece on Fetty. If Fabi was here, he would start off with a tray flip down to 3.
Why do you have to do that as your first trick?
I just feel like I'm gonna fall.
Please make it. Someone out there, please make a Triceratops soundboard.
Well, that's it.
Good game?
I guess I'll drop down this thing.
Dangerous, bruh. Dangerous, bruh.
Troy tried to sabotage.
Whoa. Chill. Oh, LP.
Front board the box.
Golden.
Damage report.
Dude.
It wasn't real gold.
That's so much money.
Dude, it's a gold plated board.
Alright, rock fakie.
Rebate, you touched the wall.
Guess I can try that front board again.
Hit it. Might have to play a game of horse if this doesn't go.
That was
Oh! Easy peasy.
back to the mini ramp.
Oh, you.
Yeah, I'm going for a half cab.
Fetty's keeping Luke at bay.
I don't know what to do.
Ollie could get some letters.
Tray flip. What the heck?
Whoa. Oh boy. You guys done made Troy mad.
Put that last there.
With the melon.
You said you don't have to melon, you can just do whatever you want.
I'm gonna melon.
Heck yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
It felt wrong from the beginning.
You get the letter, but just for fun.
She was like, oh,
His tail popped.
No redo. That's a layer.
You sure you know how to redo?
It's my last letter, so I get one last one. Please land it, please land it, please land it.
okay, I'm gonna try a trick up there.
What? Good job. That was sick.
I have S, you have nothing. Troy has T.
Whip it, whip it, whip it.
I can't do it.
You've been chasing the hard flip all game.
Yeah, let's go to the mini ramp. Fakie 50.
Ribbit. Yeah, it's 2 hours. Yee! That's true. Luke is the only one who has to slam this game.
Knock on wood.
Or coffee. Get this boy some milk. Did I get the gold?
Yeah.
Nice. The bronze.
Taking a letter.
Let's go for the pop rock.
What? I love those candies. What? Let's get it.
Alright, knocked on wood. I told you jinxed it.
I'm just glad you didn't slam your head into the wall.
That would have been bad.
I got up in the grill.
Yep, that's a letter. We got beef.
Is it real beef?
He goes, I don't want to be seen doing that trick.
I think I got A.
Into the Euro, baby.
Come on, Fetty!
Hi, baby. What's your problem? Ow! Yes. That kind of hurt. I think Lance just wants me to fall on.
No, dude. Oh! You better end him, Luck.
Should I steal his trick?
Try it.
Get some beef? Hurt. Time to cut.
Woo!
Whoa, that was cool. This one goes out to my boy, JB. He does this trick. Justin Bieber.
Oh, I was wondering who that was.
What, drop in?
Messed it up.
With a little nose.
New title for this video.
Fetty goes to the hospital?
Yes!
Tell me I won't try another frontside 50.
You won't. Guess who filmed that? Yes! Oh.
That's kind of a cheap trick. But at this point, we don't have any more tricks, so.
Yeah, dude.
God.
How did that happen?
What? I just was going down the ramp.
Dude, that was so cheap, Luke. I can't believe you ended on something like that.
I'm gonna get hated in the comments. No!
Leave the hate below! Just kidding. Don't end them, guys. Yeah, let's get this. Let's get it. So what did you guys think of the golden penny?
It's bronze.
So what about you?
It's bronze.
Well, I thought it was really fun to skate too, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see us skate other colors like maybe bronze or something like that, leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the Braille channel. Check out them on their Instagrams and YouTubes. I'll leave it in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Peace, guys.